Local news for Wednesday, the 27th of May. The Featherston Community Centre and Fab Feathy are hosting a Clap for Featherston today to welcome Pau Tumulkai, Featherston Medical Centre, to their new location and to celebrate how everyone has found a way to stay safe and support each other during lockdown. The clap will take place at 10 a.m. Wings Over Wairarapa Air Festival will be back for 2021, albeit with a slightly adjusted schedule. Tickets will go on sale in July for the 26th to 28th of February air show. And while New Zealand will be the main focus, it will showcase an incredible range of aircraft from within the country, as well as New Zealand-based warbirds and North Island yaks. The Masterton District Council and your planning deliberations begin today, with the rates increase set to be a hot topic. While the skate park, town hall and Henley Lake are three big areas of discussion, other areas will include things such as fees and charges. And winter sport is set to return to the region. Rugby will be in for a round of pre-season games on the 13th of June, with the start date set down for the 20th, while football will start on the weekend of the 6th of June for seniors and youth and 13th for juniors and Central League. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.